Hey everyone, Spencer here from Spencer's Collectibles. Welcome to my channel. This is where I like to show you guys some of my collectibles, mostly Pokemon toys, and also open some Pokemon cards. Today I actually have a bunch of stuff in the mail that I wanted to share with you guys. Most of the stuff I will have listed in my eBay store online. The link is will be in the description. And then probably afterwards I'll open up some booster packs if we have time. Let's see, let's start off with this. And this is some cards I ordered online and just got them in today. I think these were some more Hidden Fates cards that I needed to help complete some of my sets that I have in binders. Got some Mewtwo GXs, some Wigglytuff, a shiny Articuno GX. Yeah, some of these I'll look them over and maybe submit them to PSA for grading too. Giovanni's Exile, Onyx GX, Starmies, there's the other Mewtwo's, and some reverse hollows from the set. That's one of them. And then let's see, where's the other box? Something else I got in the mail. I think this is items I got from online raffle too. These mini binders, they don't really protect your cards too much. Rebel Clash blister packs. Another binder, and then some more. Let's see, some more booster. Let's see, here's some more cards. Celebi and Venusaur, Alolan Exeggutor, Hiker Full Art, Blaziken, Judge Whistle, Ho-Oh, and Sword and Shield blister packs. Okay. And then the last box I got in the mail was this one right here. I think this is a bunch of Hidden Fates booster packs. I'll probably be opening a couple of these. Let's see. Yes, they are. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 2, 4, 6. All right, 36 packs. Okay, so that is all the mail I got today. And let's open a couple of these. Let's see. Open 2 of each art design. And then save some for next time. Let's see. Who should we start with? Start with the birds. Okay, and I got some sleeves from the Hidden Fates Elite Trainer boxes. Alright, let's see what's in the first pack. Here is the first code card for you guys. Remember, you can only redeem one or each code once. Try not to redeem too many, save some for some of the other people. Start off grass, Pokemon Center Lady, Metapod, Sabrina's Suggestion, Ekans, Cubone, Magikarp, Geodude, Clefairy, and Reverse Hollow Misty's Determination, and Snorlax is our rare. Okay, next pack. Okay. So I think the next wave of tins that a Pokemon is releasing is already out. I think you can order them online. I know GameStop has them available. Some stores might have them, but I haven't seen any yet. I'll let you guys know when I actually find some. Here's the next code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water Energy, Graveler, Chansey, Brock's Pewter City Gym, Clefairy, Jigglypuff, Caterpie, Eevee, Ekans, Sweet, Shiny Inkay, and Misty's Water Command as our rare. Let me sleeve this up. Yeah, so all of these cards, I'm going to be trying to help my friend Chris complete his set, his master set for Hidden Fates. Let's go with Mewtwo. Right, and here's the next code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy. Charmeleon, Brock's Grit, Farfetch'd, Ekans, Coughing, Cubone, Geodude, Slowpoke, and Chansey is a reverse hollow, and Raichu GX. Alright. Okay. See, I'll put all of our hits up here. Next pack. Okay, next code card. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, Jinx, Magmar, Brock's Grit, Staryu, Jigglypuff, Ekans, Geodude, Cubone, and Psyduck, our reverse hollow. Any Psyduck fans out there? And our rare is Jolteon. Okay. Alright, next pack. It's Mew art. And there's the next code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Psychic Energy. Graveler, Farfetch'd, Brock's Grit, Paris, Cubone, Voltorb, Geodude, Eevee, nice Wimpod, shiny from the Shiny Vault, and Mr. Mime as our rare. Not bad. Slowly but surely we'll complete the set. Alright, next pack. Okay. There's the next code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy, Lieutenant Surge, Misty's Determination, Scyther, Pikachu, Jigglypuff, Ekans, Coughing, Cubone, Erica's Hospitality as our reverse holo, and Mew as our rare. Alright, the last 2 packs, the Charizard art. Okay, and there's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Darkness Energy. Brock's Pewter City Gym. Metapod. Giovanni's Exile. Eevee. Jigglypuff. Coughing. Staryu. Ekans. And another reverse holo Psyduck. And our rare is also another Snorlax. Alright, last pack. Let's see, will we get that last pack magic? Alright, and here's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Grass Energy. Sabrina's Suggestion. Pokemon Center Lady. Metapod, Geodude, Slowpoke, Clefairy, Jigglypuff, Caterpie, and reverse holo Pikachu. And our rare is Clefable. Okay, and I guess these are our polls for today. Wimpod, Inkay, and Raichu. Alright, thanks for stopping by to watch the video. Let me know what you think about anything today. How are you guys doing? And are you guys gonna be trying to complete Hidden Fates also? Well, leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.